Hello, in this video we will be looking at if-else statements. I hope that a little bit it is clear with if-else by the name only, but we'll start anyhow. So we'll define a function first of all. Let's do learning if-else. As we have learned in our functions video about parameters and arguments, we'll use it here. We'll use 3 parameters, b, actually 2. Let's do it with 2 only. Now we'll be giving a if-else statement. First of all, we'll learn about if statement, if, and then parentheses. Actually, this parentheses contains a condition. Like we can write any condition here over here. For now, I am just writing condition, and then we have its own scope. You can see that if I remove this, there is a syntax error. You can see that here is a red underline over here, and you can see that it says expression expected something. Then if I put 2 curly braces over here, you can see that those disappear, and now its own scope will act as a logic, whatever logic we want to run when the condition is satisfied. So we'll start writing the condition. Like if a is equal to 2, let's say that. You must be thinking, why have we given 3 equal to's? We can just write it like single. You can read about it on MDN. Basically it is called operators. So when you give single equal to, it means that you are defining a is equal to 2. But when you are saying double equal to, you are saying that a should be equal to 2. It means that a can be equal to 2 and it can also be equal to 2. This both will satisfy the condition. But we earlier gave 3 equal to's here. This means that a can only be equal to 2. It means a can only be equal to 2 and it should also be a number. Like if I do it like this, it means that this will not satisfy. If a will be 2 and it will be a number, it will not satisfy. It must be a string. For that you will have to learn about operators and also about data types in JavaScript. Until that, you can just subscribe to the channel and you'll get when the video is uploaded. Soon those videos are also coming. So for now, I'll take it as a number 2. Then I'll do console.log yeah, it's 2. Okay. For now I'll do this and I'll call this function, and now if I save, what we'll get? We'll get nothing because we haven't given our arguments. We need to give our argument. Like for now I'll give 1 and 2 and we'll save it and see what happens. Nothing happened because a is not equal to 2. Now what if I do this? Give it 2. You can see that it's a 2. Now you must be thinking that if it is not 2, something should happen. So for that there's else statement. Like else console.log. You write it like this. Console.log. No, it's not 2. And now if I change it back to 1 or anything in the world except 2 as number, then it will print no, it's not 2. You can see there. But now you must be thinking that what if I want something else to be? Then there is another statement. We'll remove this for now and we'll add else if another condition. You can give another condition, like if you want कि A plus B is equal to like 4. Let's take 4 only. No, let's take 5. Then console.log, it's a 5. Okay. And now here you can give this statement. Like we got all. You can define multiple statements like this one. Else if B is equal to 3, yeah, console.log, yeah, B is 3, and then you do it else, sorry, remove it, else console.log, no, it's not 2, actually I'll change it, A is not 2 and B is not 3. Now if I call it 2 times, in the first one I'll add 1 and 2, I'll leave it like this, and in the second one I'll do 2 and 3. Now what will be the result? You can comment below, or if you don't, I'll tell you. You can pause the video and comment it, and if you don't want, I'll tell you now. Let's save it. You can see that no, A is not 2 and B is not 3. It comes from the first function. I'll copy it and I'll paste it in my, I'll paste it in my VS Code. Now we get this, and from the second one we get yay, it's 2. Now you must be thinking that why this one is not called. It is because here only we got our condition satisfied. So it didn't go to the second one, else if A plus B is equal to this, that. But now we can do that. Let's do it. If I do it 4 and if I do it 1, we'll get to the second expression, like else if A plus B is equal to 5, then console.log, it's a 5. Now let's try saving it. So on the first callback at 11, we get no, A is not 2 and B is not 3, because it is true, A is not 2 and B is not 3. So we got our third expression, this one which is on line 8, and on the second one we got it's a 5, which is our second expression. Actually this one is fourth, sorry, and we got our second expression, it's a 5 on the second callback. It's a 5, and then on the third one we got called our fourth expression, first one, because it satisfies the first condition. So it didn't go to the second, third and fourth. It's 2. I hope that if else is clear to you. If you want this code, you can check it on GitHub, link is in description. And if you want more videos, then subscribe to the channel called Operator and Data Types videos coming soon. Till then, bye bye.